With about 10 days remaining for voting to commence for the Moresby Northwest by-election, campaigning has gone to the extreme. Son of NCD Governor and Box 20 candidate Sengol Parkop spoke to residents of North Waigani yesterday. He claims young energetic leaders are needed to bring change to the Northwest electorate.
I am your face contesting this election, young people. It is our time now, young people. We must start to rise up. We must start to rise, provide leadership. Take responsibility and ownership now, young people. This is our time to rise.
Speaking there, the young Parkop says his focus will be the youth, settlement upgrade and proper sewage system. He says more work will also be done to improve the decline in education and health standards.
Basic services such as health service, even education as well, education which captured in our policies. We see that education is a service that has to be provided on a quality scale up. So our schools throughout this electorate, we've seen that there's no improvement, there's lack of support to our schools.
Aspiring young man, entrepreneur, and as an aspiring politician like me, who believes in good leadership in metropolitan cities like Port Moresby and Layan, that I see the leadership that Sengol Alphonse Parkop Box 20 will provide a good leadership, and I believe in him and I trust in him. That's why, like when I'm not contesting and I'm free, I'm staging this kind of rally and supporting with this kind of resource and like that. It's because you have to stand to make a good decision to choose a good leader.